It seems there are those in Zen who are quick to speak of reality, that all of our problems can be traced to the fact that we somehow get separated from it, that we so seldom see clearly, hear clearly, etc., that all of our problems would be solved by simply returning to this moment. Yay. But what exactly does that mean? In the Diamond Sutra, Chapter 5 is called Understanding the Ultimate Principle of Reality. Here, the Buddha is questioning the disciple Subhuti. Subhuti, what do you think? Is the Tathagata to be recognized by some material characteristic? No, world-honored one. The Tathagata cannot be recognized by any material characteristic. Wherefore? Because the Tathagata has said that material characteristics are not in fact material characteristics. Buddha then replied, Subhuti, wherever there are material characteristics, there is delusion. But whoso perceives that all characteristics are in fact no characteristics perceives the Tathagata. For many of us, the notion of reality is tied up with the idea of simply seeing or hearing the world instead of thinking about it. Do you get any sense that the Buddha is talking about something even different from that?